Hello everyone, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Once again guys, the legal team of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has raised the alarm that Nigerian Secret Police, the Department of State Service, DSS, has denied the team access to Kanu to prepare him for the trial selected for June 19 and 20. The legal team said this on Friday after it was at the DSS headquarters, saying such denial was in flagrant disregard to the orders of the court and in desperate efforts to frustrate every prospect of fair trial of Nnamdi Kanu. The legal team disclosed this in a statement issued on Friday after it was denied access to meet with the IPOB leader, who has been in detention since June 2021 after he was renditioned to Nigeria from Kenya by the Nigerian government, led by President Muhammadu Buhari. Titled, "As the hearing date draws near, the DSS continue to hinder Nnamdi Kanu's right to fair trial," and signed by Aloy Jimako, Esquire, for the legal team. The team described the disobedience of a subsisting court order by the DSS as a symbolic of what had become an executive self-indictment of the trial that the government itself and the court insist must take place. As the next hearing or trial of Nnamdi Kanu's case, scheduled for 19th and 20th June 2024, looms close, the State Security Service, DSS, continues on its infamous path of frustrating every prospect of fair trial for Nnamdi Kanu, the statement noted. Today being 14th June 2024, the DSS once again exhibited its vast disrespect for judiciary pronouncements when it, in disobedience of court order, refused Nnamdi Kanu's team to meet with him as a team or together to prepare him for the said hearing trial commencing on 19th June. The DSS insisted that members of the legal team, including the undersigned counsel, must meet with Nnamdi Kanu separately or we must leave the premises. For this reason, Nnamdi Kanu's team of lawyers left the DSS facility without seeing him, a situation that will surely complicate the hearing on 19th June. This latest disobedience of a subsisting court order by the DSS is symbolic of what has become an executive self-indictment of the trial that the government itself and the court insist must take place. The legal team warned that they will resist any trial that is against the tenets of the Constitution, wondering why the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice, AGF, still bent on prosecuting the case when the government could not obey a simple court order that is directly geared to give him the trial they so much desire. If they do not obey a simple court order that is directly geared to giving them the trial they so much desire, why then is the AGF still bent on prosecuting the case? Are we to believe that it is only a sham trial that they secretly desire? To be sure, it is impossible to prosecute a case without having the ingredients of a fair hearing in place. These antics are further evidence that the case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no merit. Hence the reason every avenue for a fair hearing is being blocked. If the AGF, through the DSS, are apprehensive of the fair consequences of a fair trial, then they need to do the needful by discontinuing the case without further ado. Otherwise, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team will resist any trial that is against the tenets of Constitution, the team insisted. What a shame. The DSS is above the law. That means Nigeria has no constitution now. That is just what they are saying. If they cannot obey ordinary court order, what else do you expect? They don't obey court order. They don't. They had never. People will say, one Nigeria, this and that and all that. We have become a laughing stock before the international communities and all that. Imagine, this is the same thing, this is the same case. Court threatened the DSS DG few days ago that if you refuse, if you disobey these orders again, he's going to, jail him. But look at it. They are above the law. The law is not for them. So which court self then they judge this matter? What is even court judging? They knew. All of them are aware that this case, they have nothing to do about it. You understand? So that is why they are just doing all these things. All this delaying here and there. Does it really matter? Is it necessary? If you want jail am now. If you get anything to talk about this thing, talk. So why all these intimidations here and there and all that? It's not fair. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I bet share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is going on in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you.